Hi friends, I'll be sharing to you my top 5 favorite running shoes. So I've been running for almost 6 years, I guess, pero 2 years lang ako medyo naging strict ng konti with regards to my running. I've used over in the span of 6 years. My first ever running shoes are this Adidas Cloud Foam shoes. So ito yung mga parang beginners running shoes lang. Kita nyo, sobrang used na siya. So I'm gonna rate this probably 8 out of 10 kasi 8 years to sa akin. I'm not kidding. So, ito pa yung shoes na ginagamit ko when I was biking and I was also running in Yangon. Tapos, nagamit ko rin siya sa mga fun runs in Baguio. So, sira na siya. So, dahil nasira na siya, I had to upgrade my running shoes, which is, let's go to my second running shoes. Medyo weird siya, pero ito, Vomero shoes. I'm not sure exactly what's the name of this, pero ito, I bought this second hand sa brother ko. But hindi naman niya ito nagamit. Ko rin siya sa half marathon run. And I have to say, sobrang komportable niya. And ito yung ginagamit ko lagi when I'm traveling abroad. I'm gonna rate this probably 9.5 out of 10 kasi stylish siya and very comfortable siya. My next shoes are this own shoes. I don't know what's exactly, pero ito yung medyo, I don't know talaga tawag sa shoes na to, but may Cloud Tech face siya, but this is from Own. So, second hand ko rin siya nabili. And as you can see, gamit na siya. I know I have to upgrade this, but maganda siya actually for not just only running. Pang lakad mo din siya, or pag nagsushoot ako, medyo masarap siya sa paa kahit ilang hours ko sa suot at nakatayo ako ng matagal. This is an 8 out of 10. And my fourth shoes are this Hoka, abang tawag dito, Max 6. I'm not sure, pero I got this again from my brother. Binenta niya sa akin kasi nag-upgrade siya ng shoes niya. So as you can see, gamit na siya. So I'm gonna rate this honestly an 8 out of 10. Medyo okay naman siya when you're running mga speed runs, less than 15 kilometers ko siya ginagamit. So I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10 kasi medyo masakit siya sa paa pag matagal na siya. Or siguro dahil yung next shoes na try ko na kaya medyo komportable yun sa paa. So I've used this for my half marathon. And I have to say, mas mabilis ako tumakbo sa Nike Vomero nung nag-half marathon ako. Dito, nag-sub 2 ako sa shoes na to. Sa shoes na to, medyo sablay ako. I think dahil din umulan nung time na yon. But 2:05 ako. Hindi ako nag-sub 2. And my latest shoes na parang, nung naramdaman ko siya, parang ito na yung naging point of comparison ko. So this is a D0 Adios Pro 3. Alam ko marami ng bago. But again, I got this from my brother. Parang he gave it to me kasi I did him a favor. So far, this is my favorite shoes. Because I'm practicing for a full marathon lang. For myself lang naman. But dude, I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. Sobrang sira na siya. I mean, I know sa ibang runners, I have to upgrade na this. But ang sarap niya sa paa. Sa mga longer runs ko, pag medyo natatapilok ako, nababalance niya ako. So, hindi talaga ako natutumba when I'm running kasi ang ganda niya sa paa, magaan siya. And yeah, if you're going to invest on a shoe, I think ito yung marirecommend ko. At Pro, I'm gonna recommend this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. So, catch you on to my next 5 video.